Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell products online on Payhip for free. So first of all, of course, you want to upload your products. So you're going to click here on products and you want to click add a new product and you're going to choose what you are selling. For example, digital product. And now to add the digital product, you need to add a file first. So I'm just going to add a random journal here just for the sake of this video. Now you want to enter the title. So I'm just going to write down and the price. Let's leave it like so. Add the images. So you want to add a cover. As you can see, the minimum image width should be 100 pixels or more, 1000 pixels or more. You can add images, audio, videos, up to 9 items. So I'm just going to upload one. Just ignore this. It doesn't really relate to this journal, but I'm just gonna do this for the video. Now you want to enter the description here. Description of your digital product. We want to enter all the details here. Now, visibility, should your store visitors be able to see this product? So of course, if you want to sell it, it has to be visible. Now, advanced options. This would be that this product has different variations, so it really depends what you are selling. So if you click on this, you have to add the variations. Text exempt, product is an ebook, upload a preview file for your customers, so you can actually upload a few pages. So a person, this is really great because a customer will be able to see a little bit of your product. Limit the number of times this product can be sold, automatically subscribe customers to mailing list, and generate unique license key for each sale. So now we're gonna click add product and you want to, this is the product link and you can view it basically. Of course, I haven't set up my PayPal or Stripe account, so nobody can buy this. But this is basically how it will look like. The description will be longer, of course, and the customer will be able to click on it and basically just buy this product. So that's basically it. So now you want to go ahead and set up your payment details, which you will find here on account and settings. And here you will be able to link your PayPal account and your Stripe account. And you can also write down a statement description. So first you need to do this so customers can buy it. Now you want to go ahead to store. And here you can actually launch your store builder and add your products to your store here by clicking add a section and just by adding a featured product. And now you can choose a product and add it here like so. By doing this, now of course you need to publish a website to do this. And once you are set up with the payments and with a store, now you need to drive traffic. So to drive traffic, I suggest to use like Instagram, for example, TikTok, and put your store link to your let's go ahead to store, and basically you will put your store link into your social media. Again, Pinterest is really great for driving traffic, YouTube, or any social media basically. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.